Hey, what's up? You're here with Slimes by Unicorn. No, that's my Etsy. I'm so sorry, guys. But that's my Etsy, so it's gonna be linked down in the bio. Anyways, um, you are here with This Is Me channel. And here we make slimes. So let's go. So I got this cool thing where I can do this. I kind of made my own contraption myself. Sorry, my activator. Yeah. So I got this cool contraption. Hello! And then when I just want to put it back up. Oh, don't you hate when things don't work? No. There you go. That's on the picture. You want it back down? Just click on it. Ooh. Styling. Okay, so what we're gonna make today is we're gonna make some. I got red dye. Great. We're gonna make Sorry. We're gonna make like water slime, but we're gonna make it with white glue. So we're gonna add some blue glitter in it, blue dye, and some activator. I don't know why I got both though. Okay, so let's get the stuff ready. Cool part. It's supposed to hit me. Okay. I accidentally switched the caps, so that's why. Wait, is this the right one? Yeah, look, it's like the right cap. So the flag. Is it not? It's green dye. Blue dye. Yeah, we got my blue dye. Okay. Blue dye. This needs to go here, and this needs to go here. Okay. So yes, I kind of know my hands are kind of green. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. Because I made one. I made one, and my hands got dyed. Go check that out. Gonna be some at the end. It's gonna be whatever. Well, it's gonna be there. Alright, so we're just gonna put where? Oh no, I had some on my hand. Ew. Oh, for this. Gonna do about that much. Put the cap back on it. So what you're gonna need for sure. Just to make slime, you don't need any coloring or dye. You need activator glue, and that's something to mix in and something to mix with. Right. So first things first, what you're gonna do, you're gonna want to add this. I added about 7 drops. I added 7 drops. I can't see. I'm gonna mix this in to get the color I want. You gotta mix it all in to where there's like no different colors. Like there's no white in it. I'm gonna add dot, dot, lot. Add about 5 more drops in. Well, that's pretty. Camera's picking up as like a light blue, but it's like a dark blue. That's so pretty, guys. Look. It's picking up as like a light blue, but it's like a navy. It's like a light navy. It is navy. It's like a navy color. Okay, I'm gonna add some blue glitter in. I'm gonna add a lot in. I don't know why so much glitter, but I'm gonna add a lot. Like, look how much glitter this is. It's like a whole top is glitter. These, when it gets blended, it's like goes everywhere in the blend. And it doesn't look like that. It looks like a lot before you mix it in, but after you mix it in, it doesn't really look like that much. Like, it doesn't even look like that much. I don't even know if the camera can see that, but it doesn't really look like that much. Ooh, it's pretty though. Wait, so now you're gonna want to add your activator in. So you're just gonna, you don't want to do too much at a time or it can end up being too hard. So I'm gonna mix this in. It's already getting chunky. So let's just mix this in. We're gonna speed it up. So it's getting better. I think I need to add a little bit more. Right, yeah, it's getting better. It's getting thicker. This is my backup. See, like it's already getting slimy. Okay, so it might look like slime, but do not pick it up until like it's coming off the edges, like it's all off the edges. Because if it doesn't like this, it might. Oh, this is actually not that bad. It's coming off, but it can be like all like watery. Because I've done that mistake before, where it looks like slime when you mix it, and then when you actually like put your hand in it, it ends up being a disaster. Well, this might be Cinderella slime because it doesn't really look like water slime. Like, you know that like rubber ducky slime? It's like a rubber ducky in the water slime. Comment down below if you've seen that type of slime and you know what I'm talking about. But there's just a slime like that. So I'm gonna name it Cinderella slime. I love how people put like rubber ducky charms in it, and I'm just like putting like beads in it. Like I'm fashionably like it looks pretty, and then I'm late on the trend. So yeah, like before I had a channel. No. Before I had a channel, I was like trying it was like cool. Like I didn't have any of the materials, so I was trying to make my own glue, stuff like that. And so my mom finally ended up buying like it. The first slime I've ever made was regular slime, like with laundry detergent. But it was really cool when I made my first slime because I tried making it with laundry detergent before, and it never worked out until one of my friends finally made slime with me, and we kept making slime. Oh wow, that's pretty. And we weren't friends anymore. It's a long story. Let's not get into my life story. Wow. See, it's kind of sticky. Comes off, but it kind of sticks on your hand. Like some of it sticks on your hand. Let's add some more sticky. So yeah, some of this in. This is like to make it. This still plain. This is like to make it not sticky. This is to make it like activate. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So it's my Cinderella slime. Super stretchy. If you haven't already, subscribe and like this video and be part of our unicorn squad where any unicorn can be here. We accept all unicorns. And if you're not a unicorn yet, well, subscribe. And once we hit 50 subscribers, we will be doing a giveaway. So please help me get to 50 subscribers. With that said, hope you liked and enjoyed the video. For my recent videos, they'll be like right here, right here, right here, right here, somewhere over there. But for now, I'm gonna get this on my hand. But for now, bye!